What's up, Tube? How y'all doing? Check it out. Trying to figure out how to work this not bolts, but transmission. Everything looks like it's okay, but you never know until you get right up under it, you know. I'm looking to check out clearance for my transmission and engine, for the engine mount. Seems like I remember it's got plenty of clearance here. It's practically enough to get a fist through there. And some people talk about sit there's back some, you know, so I know this is a problem. So I ordered me some plates, adapter plates, and I'm not sure if I'm not sure how the clam goes. So this is the clam for the passenger side. And I'm not absolutely sure how it goes, but there's plenty of clearance. I get this thing way when I stayed in Olive Branch. And I'm thinking that I've got enough clearance. I notched that out for some reason. I don't know why I notched it out. I know I did. Got plenty of clearance here. I just don't know when I'm going to have a chance to work on this again, but I got a feeling that in the month of October, if the Lord let me live, I'm going to try to mount this engine and get it started. You know, so I'm gonna try to get this engine started in October. I kind of wish you get up under here. I'm not gonna get up here, but I'm gonna look up under there to see what's going on, because I can see that this is really close. See how close that is? And I don't know if moving it back or moving it forward would be a better idea. It's just a little bit of clearance on that. So I'm thinking that I might move it forward, just so I can clear that little hump there on the transmission. That little gate looking thing right there, there's just not enough space there. You see that? I think everything else is okay under there, but you won't really know. Now I need to know if I have enough space. I think I have enough space in here to bring my crane in here. And looking at the engine up front, it looks pretty centered. As far as the angle, I don't know. But it looks pretty centered. And I might be able to angle the engine to the right a little bit. But if I did that, that would make it go a little further to this side of the firewall. I don't know if you can see that or not. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I believe that I'm going to try to get this engine started, hook up the transmission, get the engine going, and then after I get the engine going, hook up the exhaust, and I'll hook up the transmission, hook up the exhaust. Hell, I don't know, I'm going to have to figure something out. Okay, I guess I'll holler at y'all later. And y'all take it easy. So I'm the 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Alright, talk to you later. Oh yeah, Kenny Quasar. This is September, almost my birthday. September 16th, I think. Thursday. Talk to y'all later.